How old are you?
Come and me teach you patois now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patois Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan and I am from Jamaica. In today's lesson, I will teach you how to ask, how old are you in Jamaican Patois. So if that's something you might be interested in, please keep watching. Now, how do we ask, how old are you in Jamaican Patois? Well, you can ask, ya omoch, ya omoch. You are how much. You are how much. And you are contracted becomes ya. Ya how much. Ya how much. You are how much. And to answer, for example, if I want to say I'm 10 years old, if I want to say I'm 10 years old, the Jamaican Patois equivalent would be me a 10. Me a 10. I'm 40 years old. Me a 40. Me a 40. And if you want to know how to count from 1 to a million in Jamaican Patois, there are 2 videos that are on this channel about Jamaican Patois numbers that I will link in the description bar below, so you can also check out those if you want to learn the numbers. But just to recap, how old are you in Jamaican Patois is you are how much or ya how much, and I'm 10 years old is me a 10. Okay, so now that you know how to ask and answer this question, ya how much, write your answers in the comment section below. And if you have any questions about Jamaican Patois vocabulary or grammar, please leave those questions in the comment section below as well. Do you know how to say I love you in Jamaican Patois? Do you know how to count from 1 to 20 in Jamaican Patois? Well, don't worry, those videos are also on this channel, so go and check them out.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine.